Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're checking out the best wire trackers and underground cable locators you can buy in 2026, perfect for electricians, DIYers, and network installers who need to find hidden or buried cables with confidence. We'll show you reliable tools and key features to look for, so let's get started. Starting at number 1. Trend Networks NAVITEK NT Pro R151006. The Trend Networks NAVITEK NT Pro R151006 is an advanced touchscreen copper and fiber network testing device designed for professional network installation and maintenance. It offers comprehensive features such as network service detection, traffic monitoring, and built-in PDF reporting, allowing technicians to efficiently diagnose and document network performance. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes it easy to navigate through tests and settings, improving workflow and usability in the field. Supporting both copper and fiber networks, it provides versatile testing capabilities for modern networking environments. With its ability to generate detailed reports, the NAVITEK NT Pro helps ensure accurate documentation and streamlined troubleshooting, making it a valuable tool for network professionals and IT technicians. Number 2. Tempo Communications 501 Tracker. The Tempo Communications 501 Tracker 2 Underground Wire Locator 2026 model is a reliable tool designed for locating buried wires and cables with precision and ease. It is capable of tracing underground wires up to 7 feet deep, making it highly effective for identifying hidden electrical lines, irrigation systems, and other buried utilities. The device helps reduce the risk of accidental damage during digging or maintenance work by accurately pinpointing wire paths. Built for durability and ease of use, it is suitable for both professionals and homeowners who need to locate underground wiring safely and efficiently. With its advanced tracing capabilities, the 501 Tracker 2 is an essential tool for utility work, landscaping, and construction projects. Number 3. Klein Tools ET450. The Klein Tools ET450 Advanced Underground Circuit Breaker Finder and Wire Tracer Kit is a professional-grade tool designed to accurately locate energized and non-energized breakers, fuses, and wires. It helps electricians and technicians quickly identify the correct circuit in residential, commercial, and industrial settings, reducing guesswork and improving safety. The kit includes advanced tracing technology that can detect and follow wiring paths, even when they are hidden underground or behind walls. Its user-friendly design makes it easy to operate, while its reliable performance ensures precise results during troubleshooting and installation tasks. Durable and versatile, the ET450 is an essential tool for efficient electrical diagnostics and maintenance. Number 4. F02 Underground Cable. The F02 Underground Cable Locator and Wire Tracer is a practical tool designed for detecting and tracing buried cables with ease and accuracy. It comes equipped with an earphone for clear audio signals, helping users identify wire paths even in noisy environments. This device is suitable for locating and testing dog fence cables, irrigation control wires, and other low-voltage underground wiring systems. Its compact and easy-to-use design makes it ideal for both beginners and professionals who need a reliable solution for troubleshooting and maintenance tasks. By helping pinpoint cable locations, the F02 reduces the risk of accidental damage during digging or repairs, making it a useful tool for landscaping, home improvement, and utility work. Number 5. NF8506 Network Cable Tester. The NF8506 Network Cable Tester is a versatile and advanced network testing tool designed for technicians and IT professionals. It supports multiple functions including IP scanning, network rate testing, NCD detection, PO testing, ping testing, and TDR, time domain reflectometry, for accurate cable diagnostics. Compatible with Cat5 and Cat6 cables, it is ideal for testing RJ11 and RJ45 Ethernet and telephone cables, making it suitable for a wide range of networking and communication systems. The built-in cable toner helps quickly locate and identify wires, improving efficiency during installation and troubleshooting. Compact and user-friendly, the NF8506 provides reliable performance for maintaining and diagnosing network infrastructure in both residential and commercial environments. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the video description below. Go check them out and choose the best wire tracker for your needs. If this video helped you, hit like, share, and subscribe for more tool guides and reviews. See you in the next video.